Now that you've printed your AppBot parts, it's time to bring them together. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble the parts and connect the servo motors. Gather all of the 3D printed parts, as well as the additional parts, electronics, servos, wires, screws, and tools. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver from the toolkit and a drill with a 1.4 mm diameter drill bit. Each part is labeled in your kit to match its assembly point. Beginning with the torso, connect the servo motors for the head, shoulders, and waist. You'll use small M 2.3 by 5 screws provided to secure the servos. Be sure to tighten both screws firmly in place. Connect the limbs one by one. Use the single or cross connectors for the servos to fit snugly into the grooves on your parts. You will need to print and make use of the washers, E0, that are part of the 3D printed parts list. Screw the appendages firmly. Before attaching the head, insert the LED firmly into the eye slots. Make sure to make note of the full range of motion of each appendage. You will want to make sure that the limbs are in standing at attention position and each of the servos are at 90 degrees motion, or in other words, halfway. The waist and pelvis require 2 of the 10 mm diameter, 2.2 mm thick magnets affixed so that they attract each other when they meet. Apply a drop of superglue to make sure the magnets stay in place. Affix the waist to the torso and screw the side screw with a washer for a firm fit. Connect the servo motor to the bottom of the waist as shown. Make sure that all parts move with a full range of motion. The bottom half of the AppBot can now be assembled. Attach the servos to the pelvis in the same way as you did for the torso and arms. Do the same for connecting the thighs, the lower legs, and the feet. Again, make sure that the halfway position for the servo motors put the legs and feet in the standing position. As you move the servos, you should observe a range of motion. After this is done, you can attach the lower half of your AppBot to the upper half. The Arduino Uno board fits snugly into the backside of the torso. Once it is in place, secure it with the small screws. The PCA 9685 servo driver board fits on top of the Arduino board. Make sure there is enough clearance for the wiring connections. Using the M 1.7x8 screws and the printed washers, connect the chest plate to the front of the AppBot. Connect the balance stand into the slot under the back end of the AppBot. This will allow the AppBot to stand. When all components are secured, your AppBot should be a complete humanoid shape. Let's now connect to it and bring it to life.